What a good slaughter gain. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. I just wanted to come up here and make a quick video on Fibonacci retracement. I was getting a lot of messages, a lot of requests to do a video on Fibonacci retracement. I'm gonna make this as simple as possible. It is really not no rocket science. It's very simple to catch um, pips, slaughter the markets with Fibonacci or Fibonacci retracement. Obviously, if we really get deeper and deeper to Fibonacci, it's all math and it's all a very historical story behind it. But I'm not gonna get into it because I don't really care about that. All I care about is how to catch pips with fibs. So Fibonacci, obviously, you're going to use it with multiple confluences. You can't just use it with, you can't just use strictly fib to catch pips. What trading is just like construction. So with construction working, you cannot be just one person. It has to be multiple person to build a building. Same thing here. You cannot just rely on fibs. It has to be multiple confluences such as candle candle patterns, wicks, quarter points, support resistance, and all that good stuff. But today we're strictly gonna focus on fibs. But just so you know, you cannot use fib strictly. It has to be multiple confluences. So for example, we have this setup right here, right? So we have this setup right here, support, resistance, little range. Let's play it out. Mhm. So boom, you missed this move right here, for example, because I personally miss a lot of moves. And this is how I can catch the retracement with Fibonacci. Obviously, you could catch this right here too with fibs, but since we are just mainly focusing on retracements, we're gonna just go over the retracements. So for example, you missed this move. Obviously, once you miss a move, you're not gonna chase that move. You're gonna wait for retracements to happen. There's always gonna be retracement. Price never goes down. There's always retracement and then it goes down. Same thing with ups. Prices never goes up all the way. It's always down and then up. Got it? So with retracement, let's see. We're gonna give it some more candles. Uh-huh. So in this case, let's see. I'm gonna give it one more candle. Okay. So in this case, you see that the retracement happened. So you can use fib from here or here or here, but I like to make my fibs to be clear as a glass. So I'm gonna use it from here all the way to here. So my zero level is at the higher high and my one, which is the 100% at the lower low. Got it? So in this case, price is coming down. Obviously, I'm gonna give it two, three more candles. So three candles, and I give it the fourth one as well. So in this case, what I can do is lower my time frame to 5 minutes, be aggressive a little. And for those of you know, I'm a scalper, and I scalp on 5 minute, 3 minute, sometimes in 1 minute, sometimes 15 minute. But if you're not a professional trader like me, you cannot be scalping in 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute. I do not recommend it unless you're intermediate or professional. Um, you can do the same thing at 15 minute because 15 minute is more confirmation. But if you feel more comfortable, then go ahead, scalp it in the 5 minute as well. In this case, what I can do is wait for 250 250 level to be hit, or I can enter right now, but I'm patient. Since this is a patience game, I'm gonna be waiting for 250, and then my stop loss will be 7.5 pips. For those of you know, I catch 1 to 10 with just 7 pips or 5 pip stop loss. I know it's new to you guys, but it's possible, and I do it live. Let's see. So my 1 to 10, as you guys can see, I'm gonna target 1 to 10, and let's see what happens. My first TP1 is always 10 pips. So let's see. Trade is still not active. Once it hits 250, it's gonna be active. Boom. So in this case, trade is active. My TP1 was hit here. Boom. Let's see if we can catch 1 to 10. Easy. So 1 to 10 was catched. Obviously, there was multiple confluences here, but I made it as simple as possible with just fibs. But that doesn't mean that I would catch this move with just fib. It's multiple confluences such as candles, wicks, quarter points, and all those other confluences. So let's see. I'm gonna do another example here so you guys could really see different scenarios with fib retracement. Boom, boom. Let me delete this real quick so you have a clear view. I'm just gonna let it run a little bit. Obviously, for those of you who don't know, this is a playback, but I could do the same thing in live market. But I'm just showing to you guys in the back test session, and you guys could um, test it out in your back test session as well, and literally see to yourself if it works for you. So in this case, price made a higher high. In this case, what I can do is draw my fibs from here all the way here. And let's see what happens. So price made a higher high, and it's respecting my 100 zone, which is the 0 zone. This case, what I can do is try to catch at least 50, 30, or 20 pips. What I can do here is enter here at 350, or I can enter at 250. But I'm gonna be a little aggressive with this trade. I'm gonna enter at 350 with a 10 pip stop loss. Trade is active. So if we can see, I already got 15 pips, but I'm trying to catch 50 pips. Let's see if we can catch 50 pips. Come on. Let's go. So 50 pips was slaughtered. It's really easy. It's really not no rocket science, and it's really not that complicated. Trust me, guys. I know people make it very, very complicated, but it's really not that complicated. It's all fibs and just levels. It goes from 100 all the way to 0, and then it goes from 0 all the way to 100. It's really really simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what do you guys want to see next, because I'm gonna be dropping some bangers. I'm gonna be focusing on YouTube a lot. So let me know what you guys want to see next on the channel. I hope you guys learned something. Just so you know, guys, again and again and again, I'm gonna make sure you guys know fibs cannot be used as one confluence. There has to be more confluences to use fibs. Throw on candle patterns, candle wicks, quarter point, support resistance, trend lines, and all that. Mix all those up together, EMA and SMAs. Then you can catch these retracement with it. You can just strictly focus on fibs to catch these retracements. And if you're gonna do that, um, that's the perfect scenario to blow out accounts. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna be out.